Here Stonic oil tutorial. Buksanang oil kapyong ang dipstick para smoothang daloy. Ang langas kapag na drain. Oil drain pan para sa pagtulo ang langas. Ito ang oil filter. Ito ang oil drain plug. Tools na kailangan. 17mm box wrench for drain plug. Oil filter socket wrench. Extension 3/8 drive Yandrachit 3/8 drive. Using 17mm wrench, loosen the drain plug. Rotate it counterclockwise. Using your hand removeth bolt slowly. I recommend to use some gloves for heat protection if you are a beginner. Now loosen the oil filter using the filter socket wrench. Rotate it counterclockwise to loosen the oil filter. After loosening the filter, you can rotate it by your hand. I recommend to use a rag for heat protection. Now let the oil flow until few drops. If you think the oil drop stops, we can install now the new oil filter and drain plug bolt with new washer. Remove the seal. Put a small amount of oil on the O-ring for lubrication. This is the new washer. We must replace this washer every time we change our oil. If we don't change this washer, leakage may come in our drain plug. Remove the old ones, put the new washer. Now put the drain plug by your hand first before using a wrench. To avoid thread loosing, clean the surface where the oil filter sits. Install the new oil filter using your hand also, to avoid thread loosing. When the oil filter is securely threaded, by your hand torque it now for about 14 to 16 Newton meters. For drain plug bolt standard torque is 35 Newton meters. After we tighten the filter and drain bolt to its proper torque, we must clean the excess oil duetto draining. And yeah, it is clean now and dry. Now we need to put engine oil using a funnel. Add only 3 liters engine oil first. Now start the engine for about 40 to 60 sec. When 40 sec is done, turn off the engine. After turning off the engine, we must measure the oil now using our oil dipstick. I hope you can see that the level of oil is still here. The standard oil measurement should be in this dot. We will add another 500 milliliters. After adding 500 ml, oil is on the second dot now. Make sure to put back your dipstick and secure your engine oil cap. We are done now. Thank you for watching.